Hey, this is Dr. Ray. Welcome to Thursday's message on why sometimes healing takes longer and why it's slower. I want you to know that like everything else in life, there are processes and there are events, and that healing is a process. And knowing that, that means that because it's a process, it takes time. And sometimes patients ask me, well, Dr. Ray, how long is it going to take till my back gets better, my neck gets better? And the truth is that only the innate wisdom of your body knows what to heal first. Sometimes there are certain areas of your body that need healing that you may have no symptom of. Like, for example, your heart cells may need to be healed at the same time you have a back problem. You might be aware of the back problem, but not the heart problem. And so the innate wisdom of the body always knows what to prioritize. It may be healing a part of your body that you're not aware of, and then it'll work its way to the other part of the body. But one thing we know for sure is that when we sow seeds, it will reap harvest as long as we continue to, here's the key, press in. You keep pressing into what's right. Let me give you an example. Kind of be like having teeth and you've been brushing for 2 years and of course you're not seeing any change in your teeth. So what's the normal thing to do is you keep brushing your teeth. You don't stop brushing because you didn't see a change yet. I want you to know it's the same thing with your health and healing. You don't stop doing what's right because you don't see a change. You press in more. You ask questions like, what can I do more of? Can I come more consistently? Can I make changes in my lifestyle? Is there an eating regimen that will help facilitate my healing? Is there something I could do to process stress better? But remember this message. Because sometimes when you understand the law of sowing and reaping, and you understand that if you press in, you're going to get results, you may have someone else trying to speak to your mind. You may have your mind occupied with something that's telling you, well, you might as well quit. You didn't get there yet. And I want you to know whether we're talking about eating right, whether we're talking about exercise, or most importantly, when we talk about spinal alignment, you keep pressing in because the innate intelligence of the body within your body always knows what to do. So if the results you want haven't come to pass yet, you keep pressing in. And one more note on that. You never stop pressing in, because the truth of the matter is that to start and stop care is the same as not starting at all. So you might as well keep pressing in, keep getting yourself in alignment. Remember that taking care of your spine is a lifetime thing because there are daily stresses that are going to cause your spine to shift out of position. I've seen too many people get amazing results and stop only to find them come back years later expressing the concerns and the symptoms they got. In fact, I was just thinking of a gentleman yesterday who started care, got amazing results, and then decided to prioritize other things in his life and came to me 3 years later diagnosed with cancer. He looked horrible. He looked like he aged 10 years. And I said, what happened? And he said, Dr. Ray, I should have listened to you. I should have been here. I should have continued with care. I was feeling good and I thought I could just take a break. And I said to him, you never break from doing what's good. You keep pressing in. Prioritize your health. Without your health, you got nothing. C1 needs to be 31. The curve needs to be 42. Keep pressing in and you will reap harvest. You will see changes. But never stop pressing in. And if you're not quite where you want to be, give it time. It'll come. Never let 1 week go by without an adjustment. See you next time.